The plastic arrives in the factory in the form of small beads. It is then sucked into a machine which melts the plastic pallets into a thin sheet. The plastic sheet is dipped into water to cool down and sliced into plastic strings. These are then reheated and stretched into plastic thread. The plastic thread makes its way to the spooling machine. The spools are fed into a machine which weaves it into a tube. Depending on the customer's requirement, many designs can be made. The tube is then rolled onto a bigger spool. This is then sent for cutting and quality control. Any defects can be cut out here. Now the printing can be done using this drum printer. These are then sewed shut from one side. Another person cuts the end stitching and counts them. Thank you for watching.